The year was 1920, and the United States had just entered the Roaring Twenties, an era of prosperity, flappers, and jazz. Yet, beneath the glitz and glamour, a darker world thrived in the heart of Chicago. In this underworld, a man named Alphonse Capone, better known as Al Capone, ruled with an iron fist. Born in Brooklyn, Capone had made his way to Chicago, building a criminal empire that would soon rival the city itself. Capone's rise to power was a response to the Prohibition, a nationwide ban on the production, sale, and transport of alcohol. The ban, enacted in 1919, created a lucrative black market that Capone was more than eager to exploit. With his ruthless tactics and a network of bootleggers, Capone controlled the flow of illegal alcohol in Chicago. His empire was a vast web of speakeasies, distilleries, and brothels, all hidden behind the guise of legitimate businesses. Yet, Capone's criminal empire was not without competition. Gangster rivals like Bugs Moran and George Machine Gun McGurn threatened Capone's dominance. The battle for control of the Chicago underworld was brutal, marked by violence and betrayal. One of Capone's most infamous acts was the St. Valentine's Day Massacre in 1929. 7 men, believed to be members of Moran's gang, were gunned down in a warehouse, their bodies riddled with bullets. Though Capone denied involvement, the evidence against him was overwhelming. Capone's reign of terror continued until 1931, when federal agents finally brought him to justice. He was charged with tax evasion, a seemingly minor offense compared to his numerous gangland crimes. Yet, it was the charge that would bring Capone's downfall. In 1933, Capone was sentenced to 11 years in prison. He served less than half of his sentence before suffering a stroke and being transferred to a mental hospital. There, he faded into obscurity, a mere shadow of the terrifying figure he once was. Capone's legacy, however, lived on. His name became synonymous with the violence and corruption of the Prohibition era. Today, he is remembered as a symbol of a darker side of American history, a reminder of a time when lawlessness reigned and the pursuit of power and wealth knew no bounds. Though Capone's story is one of crime and corruption, it is also a tale of a man who rose to power in a time of chaos and upheaval. His life serves as a stark reminder of the impact that individuals can have on history, for better or for worse.